Greetings YouTube viewers, it's Rick here at Rick's Automotive. In this video I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance light on your 2006 Honda Accord. So to reset the maintenance light, there's a little tab here. It's right next to your 160 mile an hour mark on the speedometer. You're just going to tab through that until you get to your oil life. Now this one here is at 70%. It's not quite due for the oil change, but we did reseal the oil pan gasket, so with that we changed the oil for this customer. So I'm going to go ahead and put their oil life back to 100% for them. So to do that, you're just going to hold this tab down for 10 seconds. Until it starts to blink. Once it starts to blink, take your finger off the tab, hold the tab down again for another 3 or 4 seconds. And it'll say oil life 100% and you're all set. Hopefully this video helped you. If it did, please subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and we'll catch you next time. Thank you so much for watching.